Hello, boys and girls. This video is going to teach you how to do research on Pebble Go. So right below this recording, I'm going to put all the slides right down below so that you can click on Pebble Go and it will take you to the website Pebble Go. Or you can type in, see the search bar up here, PebbleGo.com if you want to just go type it in your search bar. Otherwise, click on the link that says Pebble Go that's on the slides down below this video. The first thing you're going to need to do is sign in, so you'll click on that green oval that said sign in. And my sign in is already saved, but I am going to type in the login on this screen, on this slide, so that you know what the password and login is. You have a little search bar up here, so most times whenever you see this little magnifying glass, that means you can search something on this site, so you can go right to what you want, okay? So let's say I want to search up elephants. So as soon as I start typing in elephants, I get some choices that come up. I can learn about African elephants or Asian elephants. Remember, we've been talking about there's different kinds of animals, different kinds of worms, different kinds of dogs, and there's even different kinds of elephants. So I'll click on that. Let's say I want to learn about African elephants. And then this little speaker right here will read the words to you.
African elephants are huge.
Click on that so you can learn about the body, the habitat, food, life cycle, fun facts. Okay, the other thing you could do is instead of searching up here, you could just go right to animals and
fish.
Then you can click on some of these different animals here. Let's say we want to learn about fish. Okay.
Other fish.
Other fish. Sharks. So if you click on other fish, look at all the different kinds of fish that come up. Okay, so if you're not sure what you want to research today, what animal you might want to research, maybe you want to explore Pebble Go first.
Pebble Go.
And the animals that are in Pebble Go, and that might make you curious about maybe a new animal that you haven't learned about yet or haven't even seen yet. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, guys.